Hi guys, so today we have another big project going on at our house. Something that I've been waiting for a while now. It is our fireplace, bookshelves, and cabinets. Oh my goodness, I am so excited about this. I've been waiting to do this for so long. So Joshua and my dad are assembling everything. They're building them together and doing all that kind of stuff. So I know I'm gonna get a lot of questions about where we got everything, and I just wanted to explain it really quick. So these are the cabinets that are going at the bottom part, and then they have all the other materials out in the garage to build up the bookshelves and everything like that. But they just brought these in, and these are from Lillian Cabinets. They are white shaker cabinets, and they are the same exact ones that we did in our kitchen. And I know a lot of you guys loved that whole like kitchen video that I did. If you guys missed it, I'll have it linked down below because we shared how we assembled the cabinets ourselves. So these cabinets are actually way more affordable than like the big box stores because they ship directly to you. So they're like up to 50% cheaper than like the big box stores. So these ones we actually got already assembled, but for some reason Joshua and my dad just took off the doors, and I think that has to do with, I don't know, something that they're doing. But we got ours already assembled, but our kitchen ones we got ready to assemble, so we assembled them all ourselves. So if you guys want to see like how easy that whole process was and everything, like I said, I will have that video linked down below for you guys so you can see. But Joshua and my dad have been using Lillian cabinets for years. They love their cabinets. They think they're amazing quality, and they are amazing quality. I love them in my kitchen and everything. They actually partnered with me today on this video, so I'm able to give you guys 10% off your order if you guys get anything from Lillian Cabinets. You don't have to just be doing like bookshelves around your fireplace. It can be a big kitchen project, or if you need a new cabinet for your bathroom, if you're doing built-ins somewhere else in your house, they have all the stuff there. It's way more affordable and it's amazing quality. So check out my discount code. It's Abby10. I'll also have it linked down in the description box as well as the website so you guys can check out all the options that they have on their website. I'm ready to really get this thing going. Progress is being made, a little progress. So they decided to kind of build this box at the bottom to raise the cabinets off the floor a little bit, and then they'll put like the same white sort of like paneling around this so you won't even be able to tell. We actually got wall cabinets too because they're thinner instead of base cabinets. So as you guys can see in our kitchen, like these are the wall cabinets and they're thinner, and then base cabinets are pretty wide. So we decided just to go with the wall cabinet so it didn't take up too much space, and I really like the way it's gonna look. Okay, day 2, really making some progress today. They're about to put the doors back on.
Yeah.
Right?
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah.
All right, get to work.
Okay, so this wow, that's really actually looking pretty sweet.
Doesn't that look sweet?
Especially with a uniform side on the other.
Yeah, it's looking real.
And then and then once we get the fire on and running.
Yeah. I'll never leave this room. Today, the guys are going to work on, what are you working on today?
We're gonna be doing the toe kick, the crown molding, and the shelves.
And the shelves, and then mantle will be last project.
Yeah, it'll be the last project.
Everything's looking super good. All they have left to do is to put in the shelves and to do the mantle. And then I think we're pretty good. I love the crown molding. Everything looks so nice. Next day, I'm really losing my voice, so excuse me for that, but they're doing the mantle today and I'm so excited. So they're out in the garage working on it now, but everything is looking amazing. I'm pretty sure the mantle, I think it's the last thing.
We normally have a safety guard over the blade, but in this case we've removed it for ease of use here, but always use a safety guard when you're working with a table saw.
They're dangerous.
Don't try this at home.
Yeah, don't try this.
Now we're
Nobody lost a finger.
There's our pieces, okay.
So we nail this to the 2x4?
Yeah.
So we're getting to the finish line with the bookshelves and cabinets and everything. So today we just have to get the knobs on. Then we also have a piece of transition strip that has to go right here. If you guys can see that little gap between the tile and everything. We just wanted to get like the bookshelves and cabinets in and all that before we did that. And we're so close to giving you guys the full reveal. I also wanted to show you guys the little knobs that I ended up picking out for the doors. They're actually the exact same as our kitchen ones, except they're smaller. So these ones are like an inch and the other ones were an inch and a half. So here it is. It's super modern, very like flat on the top, which I like that. It's gonna look really nice. I'll show you guys a difference between the size. That's our kitchen cabinet, and then these are the smaller ones. I just didn't want it to be like such a statement in the living room because I feel like it's kind of more of a statement in here in the kitchen. So I just wanted like something small, but something that's still like matched. So I like them a lot. Ooh, I love it. One down, 5 more to go.
All right.
Today is the day we've all been waiting for. Me especially. The bookshelves are completely done, and actually we just got our fireplace fixed today too. Ever since we moved into this house almost 2 years ago, our fireplace has never worked, so it just got finished today, and I'm ready to share with you guys the full reveal. This way, cameraman. So I love the way everything turned out, especially this mantle. It turned out so beautiful, better than I had ever even hoped or thought it would turn out. I love the way like all of this bright white looks with the dark tile. Like it all just slowly but surely came together. Also, one really cool thing about these cabinets, like I said, they're Lillian cabinets and they're amazing quality. One really cool feature is that they are all soft closing. What's down here?
I don't know.
Oh, this is something I got from Home Goods, so I want to put on the shelf. I was wondering what that was. But watch this, guys. This is actually really cool. So you can like slam the door shut and it will softly and quietly close. I think that's like a really, really cool feature. And like I said, Lillian cabinets are all of our kitchen cabinets as well, and we have that same feature in our kitchen, and I really, really like it. Joshua and my dad did a really good job putting everything together. And yeah, I just love it. So some of my next upcoming videos with these bookshelves featured in it, I'm going to do a complete decorate with me of the bookshelves because I have a few things. I think in these cabinets over here I have like a couple things like that I want to put on the bookshelves. I have some books down there. But I gotta keep like collecting things that I want to put on these shelves. So I am going to do a complete decorate with me. We also have to figure out what we're doing above our mantle here. I know you guys will probably have a lot of input for us on what you guys think should go up here. And then my next video is probably going to be decorating my mantle for Christmas. And I'm really excited about that because if you guys have been watching my hauls, I've purchased a few things recently for this mantle and I think it's gonna look really cute and really Christmassy. So this room just feels basically complete now. I know it's not, but it feels that way just now that we have all these built-ins in. Like I said at the beginning of the video, guys, if you have a project that you're doing at your house or anything where you want built-ins, or you're redoing your kitchen, or just need a cabinet for a bathroom or anything like that, Lillian Cabinets is the way to go. Like I said, they're way more affordable. You can get them ready to assemble them yourself. And don't forget to use my discount code where you guys can get some money off too. So they're already affordable, and then on top of that, there's a discount. So make sure to check out the description box too. I'll leave their website down there if you guys want to check out all the different colors and options that they have, because they have a ton of cabinets on their website. So hope you guys enjoyed this transformation. Like I said, there'll be a couple more videos featuring my bookshelves. Hope you guys are having a great week. Thumbs up if you enjoyed this. Subscribe for tons more videos this month especially. And I will see you really soon in my next video.